Hey guys, welcome back to our retail series of videos. And today we have Priyanka Gobel, who is SAP Solution Architect for Fashion and Retail.
Sure. Thank you, Somil. Thank you for having me today.
All right. So, coming to our today's topic, we will be discussing about inventory management and optimization using SAP. So, Priyanka, without further ado, shall we begin?
Yeah, sure.
All right, so I'll shoot my first question. Could you enlighten us on, how SAP contributes to inventory management and addresses various challenges that are being, faced?
Yeah, sure. So as we know, right, SAP plays a crucial role in modern inventory management by offering robust tools and functionalities that enhance visibility and control over inventory. So it integrates with various aspects of supply chain, allowing businesses to monitor stock levels in real time across multiple locations and warehouses. It gives a centralized platform, right? Businesses can track inventory movements, manage stock transfers, reconcile their discrepancies efficiently. And this real-time visibility helps in reducing, stock outs, minimizing excess inventory, and also improving overall inventory accuracy.
Okay, and what about the benefits, that are being derived by optimizing inventory with SAP?
The optimizing inventory brings numerous benefits, right, to business. One could be it enables companies to reduce excess inventory and carrying cost by providing accurate demand forecasting and inventory replenishment suggested based on historical data and predictive analysis. It also, by maintaining optimal stock levels, businesses can meet customer demands promptly, enhance their services level, minimize the risk of stock outs. So moreover, SAP's optimization capabilities help streamline procurement processes, also improves warehouse efficiencies, and ultimately contribute to higher profitability through better resource allocation and cost savings.
All right, and just to follow up on that question, how does uh, we can handle probably the demand forecasting for inventory management? How SAP can help us leverage that part?
Yeah, so SAP leverages advanced analytics and machine learning algorithms to perform demand forecasting with precision. And by analyzing historical sales data, market trends, seasonal patterns, and many other factors, SAP generates accurate forecasts for future demands. And these forecasts enable businesses to make informed decisions on inventory planning, production scheduling, and distribution logistics. So basically, aligning inventory levels closely with anticipated demand, SAP helps businesses minimize holding cost, reduce the risk of overstocking or understocking, and optimizing inventory turnover rates. This also is a proactive approach in terms of demand forecasting, enhances operational efficiency, and supports strategic decision making across the supply chain.
And I'm sure this ties up really closely with IDMX, which is our flagship offering. We have integration
Yes.
with SAP Retail. So, can you just give certain, insight into how IDMX kind of leverages those part?